first priority should be restoration of peace in the state. Aigi apology karino have khangdaba. Humanity mapunsi mangraba lebam chabam leitraba mayam do sarkar ama leir sem oina leirga madugumba thapa mayam dugi mayam do se mayam thoina 11 September dugo America ni ne terrorist do go thugai ga mi lising ka no siri do Israel ki Hamas mayam changthal ga lising samani ne phar ga puru ga changa halami do adugumba thoki ba thugdo human against humanity thoki ba bon mayam do madu dei ki mayam do daina madu ai nungaiti madu punamak madu koi amana mabu ngangna matam nungaiti ai na ai bagi wani bade the politics or bukangu do madu irang pam kambu ne irang pam
tamo it's
we Manipuri and side from the people of the Manipur and side government and from my personnel I wholeheartedly welcome the Ajay Bhelaji. He is a good and a dynamic person who knows the ground reality and the ground situation of the entire India, particularly the Northeast, and in particular Manipur situation he know very well. With his appointment as the governor of the state, I fully believe that normalcy and peace will be restored in the state of Manipur as early. And I convey my peace message to all the community residing in the state of Manipur. Again, let us forgive and forget everything. What is past is past. We should sit together and we should bring a permanent solution. Restoring. First priority should be restoration of peace in the state.